Meaning of green tea.
Green tea.
Green tea.
Green tea.
Green tea. Green tea is a type of tea made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. It is characterized by its green color and refreshingly light, slightly grassy taste. The leaves are harvested and quickly dried to prevent oxidation, giving the tea its signature flavor profile. Green tea has been consumed for centuries in countries such as China and Japan and is popular around the world today due to its many health benefits. These include improved brain function, increased fat burning, and a lower risk of various diseases, such as cancer and heart disease.